Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of the market discussion series. So as expected, as I was discussing with you guys, we were waiting for a test of this top range, and yeah, Bitcoin tested the top range, and now you can see the supply that is left in the market. So this was expected, a test and a rejection, and yet we were waiting for a test to see how much supply was left at the top, and now you can see that there's a good amount of supply based on the volume as well. There's good volume in that candle. So we can see the test of the lows properly because this is a support that the price is. I'm pretty sure people are taking long positions. If the price breaks below, the stop losses will be triggered. There will be stop losses over here. Those will be triggered, and that can push the price a bit lower. And that you can consider it as a test. So I will give you an example over here. If you take this as an example, you can see the price testing the top range, the lows. So this is something you can expect in this current structure again. You can expect some test of the lows and test of the highs. So what you need to watch out is this sort of candles like with long tails that shows there is demand left in the market. So whenever the price tests the lows, it should bounce back and close at the highs. Highs in the sense, if you look at this candle, the price should close at the high of the bar. If you look at this candle, the price should close at the high of the bar. So yeah, we need those kind of candles at the bottom. That shows there is buyers at the bottom again, and short-term traders can take long positions and take profits at the top of the range and vice versa. Anyway, most bullish scenario for a Bitcoin will be to sustain at the top of this bar, and then we can expect a test of this supply, and we need to see how the rejection or reaction will be from there. If the price reacts and hold this level, if buyers are able to, sorry, my bad, if the buyers are able to hold this level, that shows strength. But if it gets back inside the range, that is kind of weak. That shows kind of weakness, and that can push the price to lower bottom of the range again. So yeah, those are some kind of scenarios you can expect for Bitcoin. I hope you guys understood. If and one more thing, if there is any coins you want me to analyze in the next discussion videos, please drop it in the comments. And yeah, I will add them into my watch list. Now, so let's take a look at Ethereum. If you take a look at Ethereum, Ethereum is holding, it's back to a demand zone. And if you compare Ethereum and Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin is kind of performing better than Ethereum. Ethereum is at the bottom now, but Bitcoin is still over there. Ethereum, you can see it's at the bottom now. But yeah, this is the place where a lot of buyers came to the market. So if you're some kind of short-term trader, if you go to 1 hour time frame, you can see this wide range bars. This is the most wide range bar with high volume, higher than the previous set of candles. So this, if you just keep an eye on this, same scenario, same like how I explained about Bitcoin. Maybe a test, push back, another test, push back up, another test, maybe low, and if it's able to sustain about this candle, we can expect the price to head higher. So you can trade like that, and kept some moves to the supplies above left in the market. So yeah, that is about Ethereum. So yeah, if you another coin I want to analyze is Matic. I know Matic has been performing really well, and now it's taken a hit from profit booking, I believe. So if somebody who wants to fill their bag with Matic, I believe this is a pretty much good zone to buy. When this is a good price to buy, so watch out for this level. If the price push back and if it's able to hold this level, I believe you can push the price higher again if when the market starts to recover, when you know, Bitcoin starts to bounce. Matic can bounce off from here, maybe hitting all-time highs. And another coin you guys need to watch out is for Zilliqa. Zilliqa, if you compare the price structure, you can see it's still at the top. and Bitcoin is still at the bottom. It shows the strength in this guy, and if price is able to sustain above, I mean, if at least able to close above it, short-term traders can, initiate long positions and try to, catch these positions. And yeah, and if you see the price able to close above this in a 1 day zones, 1 day time frame, you can go to lower time frames like 50 minutes, 5 minutes, and you can trade demand zones. So you will get, better risk to reward ratios. And yeah, these are levels you need to watch out for. Watch out for these levels. You can see the price is coming down, and a bit of compressing inside, a bit of compressing. So yeah, you can expect the price to, make higher lows, and push the price higher. So that is about Zilliqa. I've been watching out for Zilliqa. And yeah, there is a good news about Zilliqa that they are releasing their metaverse project. It's called Metapolis. That is the metaverse project. That, so I believe that has given a good sentiment into Zilliqa. So yeah, based on the structure, this is what we're watching for. But let's say another scenario where Zilliqa starts to dip again, then I believe this will be a good price. If the price dips back, this is a very excellent price, because the buyers who were buying and pushing the price higher, we can see strength in these guys, because the price is they're still holding on to it. They're still not selling it off. But let's say, more volatility comes, Bitcoin starts to fall again, and this guy can pull back to these demand zones. So this is also a good location to pick up Zilliqa. So yeah, that is about the coins I wanted to analyze and discuss with you guys. So if there is any coins or assets you want me to discuss, drop it in the comment box, and I will add them to my discussion of, I mean, my next episode of the market discussion. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.